Quick and easy last will tutorial and tips. Creating a last will is an important part of preparing for your future and ensuring that your wishes are carried out after you pass away. While it can be a difficult process to confront, there are ways to make drafting your last will easier and more efficient. Here are some tips on how to draft a last will quickly and easily. 1. Gather important documents. Before you begin drafting your last will, make sure to gather important documents such as your birth certificate and marriage license, if applicable. Additionally, it is important to collect information about any assets or debts you may have. This can include bank account numbers, real estate titles, car registrations, investment accounts, and more. 2. Choose an executor. An executor is the person responsible for managing your last will and carrying out its instructions. When selecting an executor, it's important to choose someone who is trustworthy and organized. Make sure to communicate with them as you draft your last will to ensure they understand their duties and responsibilities. 3. Draft your last will. There are a few different ways to draft your last will depending on your individual needs and preferences. You can use an online template, hire an attorney, or seek out a local legal service. Whichever option you choose, make sure to take the necessary time to read and understand all of the documents before signing. 4. Keep it up to date. After your last will is drafted, it's important to keep it up to date. Anytime you experience a major life event such as marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child, make sure to update your last will accordingly. Additionally, review your documents every couple years just to make sure everything is in order. Creating a last will can seem like an intimidating and complicated process, but it doesn't have to be. By gathering important documents and carefully choosing the right executor, you'll be able to quickly and easily draft your last will. To create your own last will, visit digitalwealthmedia.com.